rwa Gikuyu ndihotete gukorwo ngimwikirira indo cia guthoma no ona kuri uguo ngirio kuona Ngai ni agikoretwo ari kirio mwega ngwihoka no urathoma maria njikirite ku gwiciria uhoro uria wathire na mbere. Actually what happened is that I kind of got very busy and also another thing, the MacBook I was using broke down and sometimes it is very difficult to do this work on mobile phones. But all in all, we hope that from time to time we will be meeting, you will be seeing me. For those who are on WhatsApp, I know that they still get to see whatever post that I put online. So continue supporting me and everything will be okay. Ati kumuhura ma. Kumuhura. Utawashapa mpaka unaita mtoto?